Welcome to the video, where we will tackle a common problem faced by many developers when handling API calls. The issue at hand arises when trying to read the input stream of incoming requests, specifically when the content type is set to multipart-mixed. This can lead to unexpected behavior, such as the input stream always returning 0, making it challenging to process the request data effectively. Now, let's delve into the solution to this problem. The key is to iterate over the parts of the request using the request.getParts method. By doing so, you can access each part individually and check if its input stream contains data. This allows you to properly handle multi-part requests and retrieve the necessary information without running into the issues encountered with request.getInputStream. Building upon the solution, it's essential to make some adjustments to the curl command used to send the API call. Adding the content disposition, form data, name equals part_name, header for each part ensures that the request is formatted correctly. Additionally, including \/ or \in between lines and using $ to interpret line breaks correctly in Bash further enhances the command effectiveness. In summary, by implementing the provided solution, you can effectively handle multi-part API requests and read the input stream data without encountering errors. Remember to iterate over the request parts and make the necessary adjustments to the curl command to ensure seamless communication between the client and server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. And as always, happy coding!